Hello, my name is Diane Frehlich, and here's a little bit about me. Currently, I work as an assistant professor of health and physical education at a local California community college called Oxnard College. My education started at California Lutheran University as I earned a bachelor's degree in business and marketing. And for years, I worked in private industry, specifically in web development. And after having a successful career there, I decided it was time to go back and research something I loved. So I started my master's degree in kinesiology at the California State University Northridge. And while I was there, I simultaneously earned my teaching credential. When I finished, I started working in public education, in an elementary education, and when the opportunity came, I transitioned to the higher education as a community college professor. So going forward, my research interests are really looking at how your mind and your body work together and the psychophysiologic effects of how stress and physical activity might influence motivation, specifically in minority students at my college. I'm also interested in exploring there's a lot of illness in our population. I'm interested in exploring potential wellness programs to help the caretakers of cancer patients, since cancer patients have shown such a benefit of exercise in their long-term survival. And I'd also like to explore developing curriculum and programs in kinesiology in higher education. Personally, I am physically active every day. I have to force myself to take a day off, and that helps balance out my love of eating. And I regularly lift weights. I love to take a cycling class when I can, or I have one at home that I use. And I like to go running, and especially near my house, we have some nice trails, so I enjoy trail running. But my latest fad for exercise is I have this little boxing gym. It's like the mommy gym. All the mommies go there after they drop off their kids, and we get to let out our stress punching things. Pretty great. So an interesting fact about me, which I just alluded to, since I like to go to my little mommy workout. I have 3 boys. I have twins that are 6 and a 3-year-old. And what I've observed about being a parent means that they keep me running around, and it's helped develop this really terrible but regular habit of going to Starbucks every day. It's like helps me keep my sanity. So why did I choose University of North Carolina, Greensboro? Well, first of all, the focus on kinesiology is what drove me to this program. It's on the West Coast, these programs aren't as readily available. And not only that, but UNCG has a great reputation in the field of kinesiology, and a really great opportunity to learn online as well. So you can find me here. My email address is dmhabrin@uncg.edu.